Hey, I built this website in 45 seconds of human work, and then I waited 7 minutes for the AI to actually do the job for me. I used Claude, so let me show you exactly how I did it right now. Okay, I've got a blank WordPress install here, no pages. Let's go to Oxygen Settings, Agents and MCP, and install Agent Connector. Now let's go ahead and connect our agent. I'll click Get Started. I'm using Claude Code. Continue, generate the app password, copy the installation command, and paste that into the terminal. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up Claude, Shift Tab a few times to get it into auto mode, and then I'm going to say, hey, Claude, build me a beautiful website for a fictional high-end coffee roaster. One page, use stock photos. Press Enter. We are off to the races, so I will come back when it's done. Okay, it cooked for 7 minutes, 14 seconds. It says it's done. Let's go back to WordPress. Let's go to Pages, and let's take a look at the new page. Here we go. Not bad. Nice work from Claude. Looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up in Oxygen. Just make sure it is editable. And yes, it is. Everything built nicely out of Oxygen elements. It's got classes. It's got variables. Nice. That is what is now possible with Oxygen 6.2 with Agent Connector and an AI agent like Claude. So go to oxygenbuilder.com to learn more. Thanks for watching.